Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to get fancy letters on iPhone keyboard. So as you can see by default here is my iPhone keyboard, and now I will show you how to get fancy keyboards or fancy letters on our iPhone keyboard. So we have to install a very simple app on our iPhone. So go to App Store and search for buzzer fonts, and all you have to need install this light app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, now go to your iPhone settings, and here scroll down and tap on General, and here tap on Keyboard and tap on Keyboards. Tap on Add New Keyboard, and here select Fonts, and these fonts comes from the font app, which app we just installed. So select Fonts. Once the buzzer fonts added, now I'm going to my notes, and now to enable the font, just tap and hold on this little globe icon, and here select buzzer fonts. Once it's selected, now tap on this AA icon, and here you will find bunch of different fancy font style. You can select any of them. Let's select this fancy font, and as you can see, my iPhone keyboard font has been updated, and that's how we can do it. So this is how we can get fancy letters on our iPhone keyboard. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.